In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a contact list to your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then tap on this insert button at the top. Then go to this mini templates button or section and tap on it, and here you can find the contact list button. So if you tap on it, contact list will be inserted to your Excel file, including the contact name, which is the first column. Then the second column includes the phone number. Then the third column includes the email addresses and then the address itself. So as you can see, you have 4 columns. If you want to, you can add additional columns and rows by tapping on the home button at the top, and then you can insert sheet rows, columns, as you can see, like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.